Hey guys, so time to give you guys another update. I started grinding out the retrailing arm pocket on that side, but I want to give you an overview on what you're looking at here. So all this stuff is seam sealer because there's a seam right here. There's a bunch of seam sealer here. There's a bunch of seam sealer right here. And there's a bunch of seam sealer here. And all the way down here. Sorry for the shadows. And then the AKG plate goes all the way up to there where that shadow is, past that black dot. So there's a lot of surface area that the plate covers, and it's really, really close to the gas tank. So it's kind of iffy. Anyway, I'm going to bring you to the other side and show you how far I've gotten and what I'm going to do next with the plate mocked up. So, you can see right here, I've gotten up to here of the seam sealer / undercoating off. And yes, it is seam sealer. So, then along the rocker, all that stuff, most of it's ground off, but it is definitely not clean. One tip that I got for like this stuff with it between the seams is that you can take a torch to it, heat it all up, and then scrape it out with a pick tool or a flat blade screwdriver. I learned that from the fabrication series, so that was kind of neat, and I'm gonna have to do that soon, but I gotta get a bunch more stuff out. And I've scraped all the way up to that tippy top where like one of the wings of the AKG plate should end, but I'm still having a real hard time trying to like get all this stuff in the corner out, just because my drill doesn't fit, my grinder doesn't fit, my Dremel can't reach. So yeah, again, very, very close to the gas tank. So now let me place the AKG plate on, just mocked up. So we're just looking at it underneath. You can see how tight clearance is. I can't even fit my finger in. And so that's where I'm running into a big issue, and I really, really want to pull the gas tank, which is what I'm going to be doing this weekend. So again, to explain this, this edge right here, really close to the gas tank, and I will be grinding away a bunch of the undercoating and seam sealer in this area, so I want to re-prime it, seam seal, paint it, and then undercoat it. But I can't get a spray gun in this gap, so that is why this is going to be coming off. I understand a lot of people start cutting the plate right here before this plug hole, and they're completely okay with it. You don't need it, but I did pay for the whole plate. I want to use the whole plate, and even though I don't weld up there, I still can't get any spray paint or undercoating like safely in there to guarantee full coverage. So I'm going to be having a friend come over this weekend. We're going to be draining all 15 gallons of gas out of this tank into his car because I don't have any vehicle that takes premium. And then we're going to be dropping this gas tank. Once that's done, I can actually get all the full prep in. I can get a drill into down here, and then I won't really have an issue. And the welds will be nice and crispy, kind of like these welds up here. So there's your project update, and a good tip: definitely try to drop your gas tank, because while it's doable, I just feel like you will get a much better job, and especially with like final touch-ups with your seam sealing and painting by getting that gas tank out. So thank you guys for watching.